Alright, here we have our 10 connector pins. Wait, that's 9. We've lost the black one. Where's the black one? Where's the black one? Can't believe it. A few seconds into the video, we've already lost one of the markers. Hello everyone, today we're going to be attempting to make an artwork with these here connector pens. I'm pretty sure everyone who's gone to school had one of these in their possession at one point. These are the standard markers and they only cost about 30 cents each for me to buy the 10 pack, but now unfortunately we only have 9 as the black marker has mysteriously gone missing. Oh, hold it there, wait. Unfortunately, before we get into the drawing, we might have to do some testing of these connector pens. So, let's just get that done and over with. I made a slightly modified testing chart that is similar to the one I used in the fine color marker review video. So, as you probably all well know, these markers are water-based and have no chance of blending. But I'm still going to try and blend them in anyway. And interlocking lines between red and orange, which are very similar colors, create the effect of blending, which is okay for these markers, I guess. Next onto the 3-color blend, I would challenge these markers with blending yellow, green, and blue together, as yellow and blue make green, and they kind of worked, but not much. It's kind of strange. But now on the layering, as you know, again, it doesn't work with layering, but I just put it there for the sake of being there. I tested the tip next. It had only one tip, so I just tested it out to see how it felt, and it was pretty solid. But the next one I felt like could make the blue marker completely run out, and that is consistency. And at around this point, it did feel a little drier and really didn't want to make my colors run out for my big artwork. So I basically crossed that part of the test out. Mixing was up next. About mixing 2 colors together to get another color. Again, I expect nothing to work as well. And the blue and red into purple pretty much failed. I was expecting yellow and blue to do a bit better as they were both light colors. And yeah, you kind of created green, but it didn't blend very well. And the last one was red and yellow into orange, which I expected was to perform the least well, and it did, not blending a single bit, because red was so much darker than the yellow, the shade difference. After the set performing very predictably in the test, we're going to see how it performs in an actual artwork. I had some thought about what I was going to draw. I knew it should be something colorful that included all of these colors. And then I remembered something I saw earlier. It was an animal but with rainbow colored fur. So I was going to take an animal and then draw these random colors all over its body instead of its normal color. So let's see how this you might have guessed at this point, I was drawing some sort of canine, and I am drawing a wolf with some very colorful fur indeed. See, right now I've used the purple, blue, red, orange, yellow, brown, and pink, and green now, and light blue. Now I've expanded that even more, and it's looking pretty nice, even with the markers that completely are unable to blend at all. I'm trying my best to kinda blend the colors in, but even without blending them in, they still look pretty nice. Have it, the final product of the connector pens drawing, and I'm pretty impressed. If I'd taken the factor that they were made by super cheap connector pens that can't blend and are water based. Hope you had fun watching this video. I certainly had a lot of fun making it, and I will see you next time. Hey everybody, Gerald here. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.